hopefully you're fine. This is the scalping strategy in the 5-minute time frame. Only histogram and the RSI both are 100% non-repainted indicator. Okay, and a very small stop loss, and just need to be very careful, and because the video is much important. Okay, do not need to miss any point. Okay, just need to focus on the strategy and you will get accurate results. Okay, here you will go histogram. That is the histogram. You can see greenish and the reddish red one and so on. And the RSI, you can see RSI ribbon, you can see the green one and the red one. Just need to focus on this point. When the histogram is green, okay, and the candle must close upside from the RSI, and the RSI should be green. Here we got then here this candle is closing upside from the RSI. Okay, need to focus on this point. Candle must close upside from the RSI ribbon. Your stop loss will be this one. Okay, the previous low point will be your stop loss. Okay, and need to focus on, like here when you got the entry, the price was 339. Okay, and from 39 it goes 45. Okay, it's around 39 40. It's around $5 moment, you can say. Okay, easily catch. Okay, let's find out more. You can see at this point the candle closed below from the RSI. RSI is the red one and the histogram is red one, so need to put your stop loss here, and you can see $4 to $5 moment in a gold, easily catch. Here you can see RSI was red, histogram was red. Put your stop loss here and need to take $4 to $5 moment and take profit. Okay, let's find out more signal. Here you can see histogram is green and you can see this one, so here you can see the results. Okay, so let's find. Here you can see another one, histogram is green, you can see this one is your entry for 45, and you need to take profit 50. Okay, and you can see easily take profit, easily take profit. Okay, let's find out more signal. Here you got the signal because the RSI is green, candle is closing below from the RSI, histogram is red, so this is your entry point, and you can see you got some good profit again. Okay, now at this point the candle is closing below from the RSI, histogram is red, this is your entry point. Put your stop loss here and $4 to $5 moment catch easily. Okay, this is the best strategy ever. Just need to focus on this two indicator and you got accuracy. That is awesome. Okay, only use of single indicator. Just need to do setting. Here we got the setting. Just need to fast length 18 and slow length 54, and uncheck this table. Okay, uncheck this in 3 infilling signal if you want. This is actually a good signal, and let me show you the signals. And the second thing, if you want, that is also okay, fast MA line and slow MA line, and the RSI values should be 75, and uncheck this swing mode. Just your setting is done, and just indicator is loading, and let me show you the MA fast line and slow line. Let me show you. Still loading. Okay, still loading. You can see the circle here, you can see, and it's taking time. Let me show you. Okay, I think it's loaded. Okay, the signals are look like this one. Okay, you can see the signals. Okay, There are some fake signal and there are some good signal as well. Okay, you can see this one, not a bad one at all. Okay, the signals are look like this one, and not so much perfection. Okay, that's okay. Okay, but you need to focus on the RSI and the histogram. We have need to uncheck this fast EML line and slow EML line. Okay, because these are fast EML lines and slow EML lines, and the colors of EML lines you can see. Okay, you can see the colors are changing, and but it's good. And this indicators, if you need, you can contact me. Let me show you my contact details. The internet is slow, but that's okay. If you need indicators, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. You can also contact me on my Telegram, or you can also contact me on my Gmail. Simple hoga @gmail.com if you want to contact me on my Gmail. Any query, any question, you can ask me. Okay, and that's it. I think I gave you the best explanation, and hopefully you will like it. Any query, any question, you can ask me for the next video. Bye bye. Take care.